Hey, what's up? What's happening? It's Scotty Laughland, and today we're doing a workshop tour. My workshop is kitted out with some of the best tools from Union. I'm going to talk you through some of the drawers, the tools that I regularly use. I've been building this up for the last couple of years and I'm absolutely stoked on it. It's my place for building and maintaining bikes, and the latest addition is this beautiful electric work stand. It's easy as that. Absolutely love having this electric bike stand. It makes putting a bike on so easy, especially for those heavy e-bikes. And the unique thing about it is it's actually got a limit sensor. So when the bike hits the floor, it senses that and stops it, so it's not actually going to damage your frame in any way. I was out on this last night. Let's do a little bit of work just to check it over. This is one of my favorite drawers. All my Allen keys, Torx laid out. You've got your pliers, you've got your cutters, super easy to get. I'm gonna grab some of these, I'm gonna do a quick bolt check. Quick bolt check done. Let's open up the next drawer. You've got your spanners here, you've got disc tools here, more Allen keys, torque wrenches, bits for the torque wrenches, and spoke tools. Okay, next. This one, you've got bottom bracket tools, you've got hanger alignment tools, pedal spanners, and you've got chain tool right there as well. Okay, on to the fourth one down. You've got spanners to adjust your cones on your hubs and screwdrivers. This is the final one, and it's just a kind of mix of tools. Got these digital torque wrenches, and that's the favorite thing about this drawer. Okay, moving on to the other side, and the latest addition to my workshop is this drawer. Got all my bearing presses, bearing removal tools. Just looks really cool, and I love the organization of it. Okay, one down. And this is also new to me. It's for pressing in your headset, fitting your forks, and again, really, really nice. The rest of the drawers on this side, they're just used for random storage. I'll show you a couple of them. So a lot of the drawers and the cabinets are used for storage, and this is one of my favorites. Got a Shimano XTR group set in there, waiting to be built onto a bike later in the year, so make sure that you have subscribed so you don't miss that one. Closing it down, we can walk over here and we can take a look. We've got some more tools hanging in the wall. This is a bit of work in progress. I've got some cutters, pliers, the essential tools for any mountain bike workshop, rubber mallet. The hammer is hidden away in the drawers. We've got the cassette removal tools and some picks. We've got the tubeless stuff all ready to get the wheels set, and of course the touring stand. It's been a while since I built a wheel. If you want to see me try and build a wheel, then make sure that you give this video a thumb up like. One final thing that we're going to talk about is this Euro style trolley. Super convenient when I'm doing bike builds. You've got storage up here, can place bike parts on it. They're not going to move around. Can even put my coffee here. And then we've got a range of Allen keys in there. Storage down below, making it super easy. There we go then, that is my workshop. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on another bike build or out on the trails.